In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add parallax scrolling to your Wix website. Parallax scrolling is a fantastic way to give your site a modern, dynamic feel by adding depth and movement to your pages. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this engaging effect on your Wix website. To start, navigate to your Wix website editor. If you're not yet logged in, just enter your credentials and find the editor for your site. It's where all the exciting website design magic happens. Once you're in, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled Add Elements. Click on it. This button opens up a world of possibilities, giving you access to various elements you can add to your site to enhance its look and functionality. Within the Add Elements menu, look for the option called Strip. Strips are versatile elements that can be used for different sections of your website, providing great flexibility in design. Click on Strip to explore the different templates and styles available. Take your time to browse through the options and choose a strip that suits the overall aesthetic of your site. Once you've decided, simply select your preferred strip to add it to the page, and after your strip is in place, the next task is to give it a bit of personality. Click on the strip to activate the design menu and then click on Change Background. This will allow you to customize the strip's background to better align with your brand or theme. You can select images, colors, or even videos, depending on your preference. Now comes the exciting part, adding the parallax effect. Look for the subsection labeled Animations and Effects. This is where you can add various effects, and in this instance, we're focusing on parallax. Click on it, and you'll instantly see the effect applied to your background. The parallax effect creates a sense of depth as the background image moves at a different speed compared to the foreground during scrolling, providing a 3D effect that draws in your visitor's attention. Once you've applied the parallax effect, click on Preview at the top corner of your screen. This step is crucial as it lets you see how your changes will appear on the live site. Spend a moment scrolling through your page to ensure the effect looks good and suits the overall page design. If you're satisfied with the result, you can publish the changes and make the updated dynamic site live for your users. And that's it. Adding parallax scrolling to your Wix website is just that simple. It's a great way to enhance user experience and keep your visitors engaged. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment with different strips and effects to find the perfect combination for your site. Thanks for watching and happy designing!